My name is Aditya Karnik and I come from an engineering background and who has graduated into doing MBA from a reputed B school in India and now transitioning into a product management role. While doing MBA, I was mentored and uh, brought into notice that there is an association or institute called IPL existing who have great mentors. So this was suggested by my director for the B school because I was already doing multiple projects into product side, like it my internship or be it my previous exposure into product development. The vision comes gradually, and you will see a clear path ahead. And having a good mentor is the most important thing. So over IPL, what I realized is they have a great exposure, like a great panel of mentors already, and like be it Pinkit sir, Sai Satish sir, or Muthuraj sir, Ayush, or Satya sir, everyone come from a varied, diverse background over different like variety of domains to be covered from, like be it gaming or be it SaaS or understanding different industries. You would get a hands-on real simulation kind of approach for your own pet projects, which IPL gives to develop in terms of capstones. The impact it has created is uh, can't be explained in words, frankly, because uh, it's a learning journey, and whatever we have achieved so far is all due to the consistency and the supportive nature of all our mentors, be it getting us on a right track, getting us with what our expectations are, what are the gaps we have to fill to meet those industry standards. So all these, a package kind of thing was offered to us, not just with the video lectures, with the mentorship, but also with the support of analyzing yourself with respect to mocks or how you're performing, what are you presenting or pitching yourself to a recruiter. Why I'm saying this is having a good mentor helps in realizing your dreams. The suggestion or advice to the new cohorts or new students coming to IPL will be definitely you sketch out your plan, have consistency, and be in a position to utilize all the resources which are at your disposal here at IPL. So good luck to every student over IPL, and I'm sure if you utilize all those mentorship guidance, the best part is you if you reach out to them, they will be more than happy and more than willing to support you at any point of your time.